Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to show you some overview of the Apple Health app, how to use it. And I think most of the people had been querying me regarding which fitness band to buy. So at present I've been using this Honor Band 5, and it is one of the best smart bands or the fitness trackers which are available for your iPhone. So the integration is seamless like the Apple Watch. If you're new to this particular channel, guys, please consider subscribing, which really helps my channel a lot. And upon thinking this, it can show you the step count over here, and also my heart rate, and the workouts which I've done around 4.39 kilometers today. And let me show you some other things also, like the SpO2. So my blood oxygen sensor denoted that I have 94% of oxygen in my blood. So this is the heart rate, guys. And let me just show you also the Apple Health app. So the integration is seamless. So for example, if you're walking around x number of steps, this automatically comes on your Apple Health watch. So for those people who are most of fitness centric, I would definitely recommend buying this Honor Band 5. It is one of the best integrated ecosystem kind of thing. And you all can see over here from this particular chart, it shows you the steps I've taken per day and all those things, like the calories burned and all. It can also show you all. So the integration is, as I said, it is awesome, guys. If you want something like if you cannot afford an Apple Watch, and if you want something to track your fitness, if you have an iPhone, then I think Honor Band 5 is one of the best fitness bands you can buy in India. And this is the heart rate. And there are other things what you all can track, that is activity. You all can track cycling and all. So as you all can see, I've walked around 5.5 kilometers on this particular day, and around 8,144 steps. Okay, sometimes the accuracy is not that great. Like for example, if I'm having around 9,000 steps, it would almost show me less on my Apple Health. That is, I believe, there are false steps which are taken and which are counted, and those have been negated in this Apple Health app. So as far as the accuracy, I definitely trust this Apple Health app, and this is one of the best apps you can get for your iPhone. So if you are into fitness, then I definitely recommend to check this Apple Health app, guys. And you all can even track your nutrition and other stuff. You don't require a special app like MyFitnessPal or something like Nike Run and all. Sometimes it is required, but most of the time you can just get away with this particular app. So also let me just show you some other things. So there are other stuff, parameters and all, like blood ECG and body temperature and all. You all can record it manually. I definitely recommend to do it. And you all can see from this, it can from other obvious things, it can track most of your parameters. So Apple Health app is one of the most centric to health application. If you use an Apple Watch, then I think this is the best application you all can get it. Even it have this loud warning noise and all. So suppose you are using an headphones and which have very loud noise, then you all can just automatically enable this to equalize the loudness of the noise. And there are other things also. You can, if you want, you can just turn it off also. So those kind of things which makes this Apple Health app one of the best health tracking apps for your phone, guys. And let me show you some other parameters also, like this audiogram, and we have this mobility. So it also shows you the walking asymmetry, the double support time, and the step length. So usually I'm taking around 62 centimeters between my steps. And other things also, like the sleep tracking is awesome, guys, on this, which I had been using for a very long time. So sleep tracking is something I'm doing with the Honor Band 5. And especially the heart rate and all is 100%. I wouldn't say 100%, but it is accurate. Also these apps also you all can check out, and it allows you all to even sync between this Runkeeper and other app. So I'd been using Runkeeper on my Android phone and I'd been thinking this. So if I'm having Runkeeper on both the phones, like Apple iPhone and suppose Android, and if I do a walk on my Android phone, so those will be also synced with my Apple Health app. So thanks for watching guys this particular video. Please subscribe and see you in my next video. Let me know in the comments below.